Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this wonderful Ford Fiesta 1.0T turbo EcoBoost Zetec with the Powershift automatic gearbox. This is the 5-door version. It's currently done 37,050 miles and it's finished in the colour frozen white. It offers low running tax costs and it's very economical. It sits nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You have LED daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. In the boot you will find 290 litres of space. This can be increased to 974 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior. It features ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of the steering wheel here you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You've got your display here in the instrument cluster with access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption and average speed. There's also the vehicle's mileage. Centered here in the dashboard you have your infotainment system. You've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music on the system with access to Bluetooth audio as well as USB input. You also have a CD player on offer. Also on the system you have your Bluetooth telephone menu where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while you're on the go. This Fiesta does come with rear parking sensors, which makes reversing much easier. Centered in the dashboard here you have your air conditioning, which is nice and simple to use. In the center console you have your automatic gear selector there. Behind it you'll find a 12-volt socket and your USB input.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.